we guide you through how to deactivate Twitter X account. So the first thing you need to do is to open the X app or go to x.com and log into your account. On the home screen, tap your profile icon, then select Settings and Privacy. Next, go to your account, then tap Deactivate your account. At the bottom of the menu, you will see important information explaining what happens when you deactivate. Your profile, tweets, and name will not be visible, but can still be restored within 30 days if you log back in. After reading, tap Deactivate, then enter your password to confirm your identity. And finally, tap the final confirmation button to complete the process. Once done, your account will immediately be deactivated and hidden from public view. Remember, if you change your mind, simply log back in within 30 days grace period to restore everything exactly as it was.